back to my channel. My name is Andrea for those that don't know me. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you the April 2019 BoxyCharm box. For those that don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription where you pay $21 a month and you get about 4 to 5 full-size products. It's just really awesome. I started getting this about January, I think was my first box. And so far I have really enjoyed everything that I have gotten. A lot of things, you know, became my everyday stuff that I use now. So I wanted to show you guys how I use this stuff for the first time, let you guys know if I like it, if I don't like it. So if you guys are interested in that, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so the first item on the list here is the The Complexion Authority Festival palette, which is the eyeshadow palette that I used today. It looks like this. It is 12 pressed pigments. These are the pigments. They actually blended really good, and it had really good pigmentation as well. Really enjoyed it. At first I didn't think I was gonna like it, but ended up really liking it. So good job, BoxyCharm. It also retails for $36. I think I forgot to say that. The next item on the list is a Luxie The Summer Days 3-piece brush set. Looks like this. This is a contour brush, and these two are for eyeshadow. I used all three of them. You'll see in a little bit how I use those, and I also really like these brushes. I'll definitely be using them again. It came in this little packaging right here. They say they are cruelty-free and handcrafted brushes, so that's really cool. Okay, so the next item on the list is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. It looks like this. I had trouble opening it. I don't know why. I'm probably just dumb. The color is in Summer Haze. And let me see if I can open it. Looks like that. I believe it's supposed to come out from right there, but you know, I took out the whole thing, exploded all over me, but I actually ended up really liking it. I'm wearing it right now. At first I thought the color was going to be too dark, but it ended up just being just fine. And this one retails for $27. And the next item is a Steve Laurant lip gloss. Looks like this. It is a nude lip gloss, but it also has like a little bit of gold something in there, and honestly it looks so pretty, and I'm definitely going to be using it again. This one retails for $22. And the last item on the box was this Beauty For Real Finish Line liquid liner. Looks like this, and usually I'm not used to using eyeliners like this, and I did have like a little bit of trouble using it, but at the end I think it looks fine. I'll probably reach for it again. I just need a little bit more practice with these kinds of eyeliners, but pigment was good, and this one retails for $16. So now I'm going to show you guys how I used all these products, so if you're interested in seeing that, then keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the Luxie 512 Small Contour Brush. I'm going to be using the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. It has a contour color, and that's the color that I'm going to use. This brush is actually a really good size to contour. I use a similar one already, so let's see how this works. It's really soft. So the next thing that I'm going to be using is the Pure P-U-R Festival palette. It says it's a 12-piece pressed pigment palette. This is the packaging. I think they're going for like Coachella vibes. And this is the back. These are the colors. Okay, now I'm going to open it. So this is the actual palette. This is just the box that I was showing you, and these are the colors right here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stick more to these colors right here. So I went ahead and did this eye off of camera, and I'm actually really impressed by all of the shadows that I used. I also did use the two brushes that the box came with, and I'll be showing you how I used those. The first color that I dipped in is called Epic, and it's this orange color right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually prime my eye first because I haven't done that yet. I'm just using my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm gonna be using a Morphe M173 brush to blend that out. I'm not gonna set my eye because I find that if you set your eye with a powder first, you're not gonna get as much pigment from the eyeshadows as if you just go straight with a shadow and not set it. So if you have any creases or anything like that, you can just go back with your beauty blender or with a brush, pat those creases, and then you're good to go. So I'm gonna be using the bigger fluffy brush. It's the Luxie 209. I'm gonna go in with this orange color first. So first I'm gonna pack the color on my eyelid before I start blending it out. And right away you can see that these eyeshadows are pretty pigmented. Grabbing a little bit more of that shadow, I'm gonna start blending it out. Now with a different brush, I'm gonna grab a Morphe brush. This doesn't have a number because I got it in a set, but the reason why I'm grabbing a different brush is because I don't really wanna get this one dirty. So I'm gonna grab the color Hidden Desert, which is this burgundy color right here. And if you know me, you know burgundy colors are my favorite. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of that one. This does have a lot of like, I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna put that pretty much in the same place that I put that orange color just to deepen it up a little bit and blend it out. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with another Morphe brush, and I'm gonna use the color All Night, which is this dark brown right here, and I'm gonna put it in the outer corner of my eye. You can see how pigmented this brown is, which I very much appreciate. I'm gonna be blending it out with this Pro Blending brush by Sephora. Okay, now for my favorite part, I'm gonna be using the 24K Magic glitter right here. When I swatched this, you guys, I did not expect what was coming. So I'm gonna show you on my arm first. Ready for this? Like, what? I really thought I was gonna have to use a color under, like maybe one of these two, and then top it with that one, but I swatched it and then I realized it looked like that, and I didn't have to put anything under what I'm about to do, and I'm just shook a little bit. So I'm gonna be using the third brush that came in this box, and this is the Luxie 245 small shader brush. I didn't have to wet my brush, I didn't have to do anything, I just went straight in with the brush, and I'm going straight on the lid. Like, look how pretty that is. I am shook. I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown right here, trying to blend these two a little bit so it's not such a harsh line. Gonna go back in with this brush, a little bit of that orange, and placing it up here so I can blend everything out. I'm gonna grab a small brush so that I could do my under eye, and I'm gonna grab first the orange color that I used earlier, the very first one. Then I'm gonna go in with Hidden Desert, and it's that burgundy color. With this Morphe M432 brush, I'm gonna grab the dark brown and just press this right on my lash line. And I'm gonna grab this other brush that had the burgundy color, dip in one more time and just blend that out. I'm gonna dip in a little bit in this one and this one in the inner corner. And again for the brow bone. So this is what the eyeshadow looks without eyeliner and without any lashes. I do really like it. I really like that it's cruelty-free, gluten-free, and all that stuff, which is really cool. So before I move on to the next item, I did tell you guys that I was gonna swatch the pink and purple colors. So I'm gonna do that really quick. This is the color purple called Gypsy. This is what it looks like. And Wild Child, which is the pink one. Pretty pigmented, really pretty. I do think that I will use these in the future. So for the next thing that I got in the box, it is a liquid liner by Beauty For Real. It is their Finish Line liquid eyeliner. This is in the color Jet Black. I do find that making the line is pretty easy with this kind of pens, but once I'm doing the rest of it, it's when I struggle a little bit. I also feel like I have to like push to get the ink out because it's like literally a pen. So this is what the eyeliner looks like all finished up. It doesn't look bad. I'm just not used to these kind of pens. So I'm gonna put on some mascara, some lashes, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I threw on some lashes. Now I'm gonna set my whole face so that I could put on some highlight. And that is the next item on the list. Next item in the box is this Artist Couture. Looks like this. Just ripped it. That's good. This is what it looks like, and it is in the color Summer Haze. It is a loose highlighter, and I usually really like loose highlighters. So let's see. I'm literally so confused. How am I supposed to open this? How to open an Artist Couture, Artist Couture.
Oh my God.
Well, now that this highlight is all over me, bye. Do you see this? Honestly, I don't think that was the way I was supposed to open it, but we're just gonna go with it. Already by the looks of it, I think this highlighter is a little too dark for my skin tone. I'm gonna put it on anyways, just so you can see what it looks like. But I think for people with a darker skin tone, this would be so much prettier. Oh, okay. So, never mind. It's not that dark. Wow. Pretty. Usually these are the tones that I go for. I like more of a golden highlight than like a pinkier highlight, so I really do like this color a lot. My goodness, it is so pretty. Wow. It has, you know, it's funny because it does have like teeny tiny bit of a pink undertone in it, but it's like a rose gold. I'm definitely gonna be using that like all the time. I like a little bit on the nose. Okay, and for the last item, I got this Steve Laurent lip gloss. Looks like this. Packaging is super cute. It is in the color Champagne. This is what it looks like. It's like a nude gloss, which I really, really like. It kind of looks like it has little gold shimmers, so we're gonna see. I already have lipstick on, but I always put lip gloss over it, so. Oh, yes. Love that. I've been so into lip gloss lately, and this is so pretty. Just gonna do one last sprint. And that's it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Mm-hmm.